In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Points Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to browse what's available, how to spend your points with confidence, and how to equip the items you pick up. The Points Shop is a fun place to personalize your Steam presence, and everything you see there is cosmetic only. It won't change gameplay or give you an advantage, it just lets you make your profile and chat look the way you want. First, open Steam. From the top of the app, click the Store tab. At the top menu of the store, select Points Shop. That takes you to a dedicated page. Look toward the top right corner to see your current points balance so you know what you can afford. If you don't see your balance, make sure you're signed in with the correct account. Now let's browse. On the left-hand side, you'll see categories for avatars, profile backgrounds, frames, stickers or emoticons, and seasonal badges. Avatars are the images that represent you across Steam. Profile backgrounds sit behind your profile content and can be static or animated. Frames add a decorative border around your avatar, which is a quick way to make it stand out. Stickers and emoticons are for chats and comments, great for adding personality to conversations. Seasonal badges are limited-time items tied to events. They're decorative and can be a nice collectible. Remember, it's all about looks here, no gameplay impact. When you find something you like, click it to open the item page. Take a moment to preview it so you can see how it appears on your profile or in chat. If you're happy with it, click the button that shows the points price. You'll be prompted to confirm the purchase. Once you confirm, the item is instantly added to your account and your points balance updates right away. No real money changes hands in this flow, just your points. To show off what you bought, go to your profile and click Edit Profile. In there, look for the sections for avatar, background, and frame. Choose the new items from your inventory and apply them. Save your changes, then view your profile to make sure everything looks the way you want. You can return to Edit Profile anytime to switch things up. That's all there is to it. Open the Points Shop, browse by category, preview and purchase with points, and then equip your selections from Edit Profile. Have fun customizing your Steam presence and spend your points on the items that feel most you.